Be left in the nest when chronic pain relief might be as easy as visiting Dr. Robert Hulbert at Sacramento Spine and Disc and New Life Laser. He joined us today along with patient Gary Bullard to talk about new technology that's helping people live pain-free. Thank you for being here, gentlemen.
Welcome to our show. So tell us about laser technology. Is this something that's new?
Well, actually, laser technology has been around for about 12 years. Newer models could only penetrate about a 1/4 inch, where this new model here can penetrate up to 6 inches, and it uses solid-state technology and to emit a specific wavelength that cells like to help regenerate and regrow cells faster and more completely.
Exciting. Tell us about how the laser technology can be incorporated into chiropractic medicine.
Well, so by using this piece of equipment, we can stimulate cell growth and therefore reduce pain quicker, cause more complete healing, and much quicker than we could just with standard care.
We like pain relief.
Yes, yes, we all do. Especially you, Gary. You've experienced this laser technology firsthand. Tell us about your experience.
Well, I had an injury I suffered about 40 years ago in my right ankle, and I had surgery on it. It was in a cast maybe 6 months, and had another surgery 10 years after that. And my ankle was very large, and I had difficulty playing sports. My right ankle, and
so you've been living that with for 40 years almost?
For 40 years I've been having this.
The pain.
The pain, and at night it's when you sleep, it's hard to sleep. It's like driving a nail right through your ankle or something like that. That's what I'd describe it. And I've pretty well given up after the second surgery and stopped playing sports and really limping around a lot. And I was seeing Dr. Hulbert for a lower back problem, a neck problem, and he mentioned this life laser and suggested we may try it on my ankle. And after the first treatment, it was amazing what it had done. My ankle is actually was extremely large, but after about 6 or 7 treatments, I think it's probably gone down an inch and a half in circumference around my ankle, and there's no pain. I'm not limping. This morning I'm just getting a little slight pain, but it's been Friday since I've had a treatment, and I've had about 6 or 7 treatments up to this point. And it's amazing. I mean, I'm sleeping at night now. All night I couldn't sleep before.
Wow.
You basically got your life back.
Absolutely.
Dr. Hulbert, the benefits, obviously that's a huge benefit. What else can laser technology do in terms of its benefits for patients like Gary?
Well, especially for chronic pain people that are suffering from fibromyalgia, people that are suffering from spinal stenosis or disc herniation, disc bulges. We can speed heal this tissue and as well as increase the blood flow. I imagine that's huge for helping heal those. That's right, increasing blood flow, and also it improves range of motion, more mobility.
And speeds healing, which Gary knows firsthand. Can you share or show us
how it works?
Yes, so it's portable. We'll turn it on here. Gary, we might as well put your
glasses
on. Since it is laser, you can't look at it.
Okay, so we want to turn away. We'll look at it in the...
And so the scientists have pre-calibrated this. We move the laser about 1 inch per second. And small areas like this will take about 6 minutes.
How does it feel, Gary? Can you feel anything?
You can feel a little slight warming feeling, and something it's hard to describe, almost something in there, some kind of energy you feel, but it's hard to describe what that is. But it's very warming and soothing feeling when you're getting it. And after it's done, you can kind of put your hand on it, and it is slightly warmer than the other ankle.
This is not at all what I expected. This is it truly is technology, an advancement. Jeez.
It is very advanced. As a matter of fact, this is penetrating about 6 inches.
Can you even call that surgery? Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Because when we think of surgery, we think of
invasive.
Invasive, being put under, and.
Well, and interestingly enough, this will help with post-surgical pain and swelling. So as it speed heals the tissue, what we can do with chiropractic, if the bones are misaligned, damaging the tissue, my expertise is to reset the bone, putting it into a more normal alignment, and then using this laser technology, speed healing the tissue. What used to take 600 days now can be done in as little as 60 to 90 days. It is truly remarkable.
How can people take advantage of this, Doctor? You have a special, we understand, for people to try it?
Yes. We're offering 2 free visits, completely free. Come into my office. We're so sure that this will work for you. You come in and try it out, and we will check you out, and we will give you the therapy, and then we can discuss ongoing care, give you an approximation of how many treatments that you may need to get well.
Awesome, and there is all the information on the screen and where you're located if you want to find out about this great technology. Wow.
Amazing and miraculous. There are not enough words for it. I just told Dr. Hulbert.
Dr.
Words
Hulbert.
are not good enough for this. This is amazing.
And Gary, thank you so much for being on our show. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
We'll let you finish that, but we'll tell our our viewers what's coming up. Speaking of warming,
Yes, that's true.
the warmer weather conjures up thoughts of vacations and getaways.